The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. For more information, check the description below the video.
Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Insert your new filter into the housing. Install your new AQ1207 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. Reinstall the stoppers. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.